We are going to be picking ripe mulberries. Here's all the mulberries, as you can see. This one's purple. That means it's good to eat. Mmm. So good. This is our second mulberry tree.
A bunch. They're not numbers.
Wait, how many do we have?
A lot. Like, we have baby ones, like ones that are 1 year old, but they don't have fruit yet.
Oh, we got like 15 million mulberry trees actually.
A lot of them are 1 year olds, and then some of the others are like, I don't know. How old's this one? Do you know?
I don't know. It looks pretty old because it's
I
big.
think it's like 5 years, 7 years. I don't know.
This is our mulberry tree. It looks like a normal tree. No, this is not it. Wait, yes it is. Wait. Is it this one and this one?
It's just this one.
But look at the branch.
This ain't no mulberry.
Oh.
This don't have fruit or leaf.
Never mind. That is not a mulberry tree. That's just regular. These, the ones that look like this, are mulberry trees. See the difference? There's this, and then there's one all the way over there. Let's pick some mulberries, people. If no people. Oh, do the black ones only come off if you shake it?
A lot of them. Sometimes you have to slide.
So beautiful.
Oh, look at this. They're just falling into the bowl. Okay, come right here to this one. You just give it a... Oh, they're falling. I didn't even shake it yet.
Whoa! They're just dropping. They're just falling right off. Oh my gosh, look at all them. They're just coming.
I think one hit my head.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, they're just falling on top of me. Ah!
You know, we're losing a bunch of berries over here.
Ready? Get ready.
They're all falling right here.
Oh. No, right here. Right here.
We need a tarp. Yeah, they're sweet. We were shaking it and they were just falling like crazy, but we don't have a tarp, so we lost a bunch.
Daddy, can you get us a tarp?
We don't know. What did you say? Those are good.
Oh, there's a mulberry tree right over here I forgot about.
These are better. You get 4 bricks.
So basically we're gonna use these mulberries and our mom's gonna make fruit roll-ups out of them. Nice, I bet those are gonna be very good. So we're setting up a tarp so that we can shake this without getting it all over the ground. Brick to make it stay. Ooh, this is all gonna fall over. Let me move this more.
Give me 1 more brick.
You just gotta find the right tree.
Oh, we're gonna watch all of them fall.
I got
Oh my gosh. I just got hit.
One landed in the bowl.
Like this. You're gonna keep beside the grab beside the wheels. Bring them in the center. You come with me. Okay, now you can go through.
And then every couple of days you gotta go through and shake the tree to get more.
Hear that, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
We told there's mold.
You know what mold looks like?
Yeah, but like on a mulberry.
It'll be, you'll see the mold on it.
Or any ones that are real smashed. Get rid of those too.
Throw the leaves out. Just grab them like this and then just take the leaf. There's sand on the mulberries. Are we gonna wash them?
Yeah.
There's bugs on them.
Whole bowl of free mulberries.
You can't buy anything like this at the store. Oh my
What's wrong with
gosh,
these?
Look at that big spot.
See ones like this?
I'm going to.
Back up.
I'm trying to show.
Come on, guys, I need help. I'm stuck. Guys, I need help. I'm stuck. I got stuck.
You're alright, you'll get down.
Put your leg over. Hold on to the branch with both your hands.
I'm not strong enough. I need help. I'm serious. Help.
Swing your leg over and just hang from the branch.
I can't.
Swing your right leg over.
Put your right leg over and grab
And
the
hold
branch.
the
and hold on.
branch.
Which branch?
The one that you're hanging on.
Get
This
down
one.
just fine on your own.
Take this one and put it right here. And then hang.
Wait. Oh, that was fun.
Look at all
Look
these.
at all the. Oh my gosh. My head. I don't think the camera can see it.
Little mushroom.
It's a mushroom.
It was growing up there in the treetop.
Look, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I can see all the little bugs crawling out of them.
Yeah, it's gross.
Protein.
Mommy. Oh, I can also see them. They're so tiny. Look, there's a bunch inside of it.
I know. It's crazy.
You'll have to clean these really well.
Yeah, I'm gonna soak them in a bath.
The fact that Mommy said protein.
Final result.
Grasshopper. Nope.
There's a
Back around.
baby grasshopper. I don't know where it went.
Grasshopper.